Just gonna prepare some lunch for the two of us. So we're gonna make a tuna wrap. Wrap. Anyway, so we're gonna prepare the tomato unwashed because we are running out of water. So just
Yeah, well,
do this.
all the water's been turned
Yep.
off at the campsite,
We're
so
not gonna die, baby.
no,
Yeah, we are.
we should be okay.
Pepper, salt,
A little bit of lemon. Oh, that squirted at the camera.
squeeze on you.
Yeah. it got me.
Sorry for that, cameraman.
Yeah.
I'm gonna put mayonnaise, but if you want to stick to the olive oil, just stick to the olive oil. Spinach. A little bit of spinach in here, not too much, I think.